Right now, inside your body, there are cells that should be dead. They stopped dividing years ago. They stopped functioning years ago. But they refuse to die. Instead of dying quietly, they are releasing toxic chemicals into your bloodstream every single day. These chemicals inflame your organs, damage your healthy cells, and accelerate every known hallmark of aging. Scientists call them senescent cells. But everyone now calls them what they really are. Zombie cells. And if you're over 35, you already have millions of them. Here's how it begins. Every cell has a built-in limit on how many times it can divide, the Hayflick limit. When a cell hits that limit or suffers serious DNA damage, it has two choices. It can self-destruct cleanly through apoptosis. The body clears the debris, and a fresh cell takes its place. Or it can become a zombie cell. It stops dividing. It stops working properly. But it refuses to die. In young bodies, the immune system hunts these zombie cells down fast and clears them out. But as you age, two things go wrong at once. Zombie cells multiply faster than ever, and your immune system grows weaker and slower at removing them. The result? A silent, invisible build-up deep in your tissues, joints, organs, skin, and brain. What makes zombie cells truly dangerous is this: they are not passive. They stay biologically active and pump out a toxic cocktail of inflammatory molecules, enzymes, and proteins. Scientists call it the SASP. Think of it as poisonous exhaust pouring out 24/7. This SASP does four deadly things. It creates chronic, low-grade inflammation that slowly destroys surrounding tissue. It turns nearby healthy cells into new zombie cells, like an infection spreading. It weakens local immunity, making it harder to fight infections or early cancer. It breaks down the structural scaffolding of your skin, joints, and organs. That's why aging isn't just wrinkles. It's stubborn joint pain, slow healing wounds, brain fog, and a body that never fully recovers. Zombie cells aren't killing you in one dramatic moment. They're degrading you, system by system, year after year. The proof is shocking. Mayo Clinic researchers took young, healthy mice and injected them with a tiny number of zombie cells, less than 1% of the total cell count. Those young mice quickly became frail, weak, and aged rapidly. That single experiment launched an entire new field. Senolytic therapy. The science of killing zombie cells on purpose. In humans, high levels of senescent cells are directly linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, osteoarthritis, kidney disease, and almost every condition we used to call just aging. They are not inevitable. They are largely reversible. In 2015, everything changed. Mayo Clinic scientists discovered that two compounds, the drug dasatinib and the natural flavonoid quercetin, could selectively destroy zombie cells without harming healthy ones. They called them senolytics. Old mice treated with senolytics became stronger, healthier, and less inflamed. Young mice injected with zombie cells recovered completely after treatment. By 2019, the first human trials showed the same. A short course of these compounds reduced zombie cell burden and improved physical function in patients with lung fibrosis. For the first time in history, science had targeted the root mechanism of aging itself, not just the symptoms. And here's the best news for you today. You don't need to wait for expensive clinical drugs. Several powerful natural compounds already show strong senolytic or xenomorphic effects. Quercetin. Onions, apples, capers, the first proven natural senolytic. Fisetin. Strawberries, clears zombie cells and is now in human trials. Spermidine. Wheat germ, mushrooms, aged cheese, boosts autophagy, the cell's own cleanup crew. Curcumin. Turmeric, powerfully quiets the toxic SASP signals. Modern research is now confirming what Vietnamese, Indian, Chinese, and Japanese traditional medicine has used for centuries. The right plant compounds target exactly the pathways that drive senescence. What speeds up zombie cell buildup? Chronic stress and high cortisol, poor sleep, especially disrupted autophagy, sitting too much, sedentary lifestyle, hidden low-grade infections, including gum disease. Unprotected sun exposure, major driver of skin senescence. Your skin isn't just cosmetic. It's a major organ that both reflects and drives your biological age. So where are we right now? The first generation of senolytic drugs is already in human trials for Alzheimer's, osteoarthritis, and heart failure. If the early data holds, this could be the biggest breakthrough in medicine since antibiotics, because it attacks aging at its root. But you don't have to wait. You can start lowering your zombie cell burden today with consistent exercise, especially HIIT, quality sleep, stress management, strategic use of the natural compounds above the zombie cells are real. The damage is real. The science is clear. Your body is already fighting this battle every day. The only question is, are you helping it or making it harder? If this video changed how you see your own biology, hit subscribe for weekly longevity science you won't find anywhere else. Real botanical research from the highlands of Vietnam, combined with the latest clinical breakthroughs that finally explain why traditional wisdom works. Next video, the hidden organ in your mouth that is silently damaging your brain, and why most doctors never check it. See you there.